Hello. Welcome to our Rosan's YouTube channel. Today we are going to present our first Explorer truck system. This is a special vehicle designed to use in the off-road condition, like in the forest or in somewhere special. And in this system, we use this motor. This motor 112 kilowatt, 860 Newton meter, 5,400 RPM PMAC motor as a drive motor to drive the third axle of this vehicle. And this vehicle will also be driven by the engine. It's a very special hybrid application. And in this project, we use inverter, 6.5 kilowatt DCAC inverter. This inverter will invert the battery voltage to home use AC power to supply the power to some household loading or hotel loading. Okay. This is our system bench testing environment. We can see the drive motor, motor controller, and here is the 6.5 kilowatt inverter, and also we have a single independent onboard charger, 6.6 kilowatt, and we have a AC charger pipe, and we also have a testing battery. We can show to you the name plan of the product, and this is the motor controller, and this is the drive motor, and this is the integrated controller we use for the testing, and this one is the inverter, and we have a onboard charger here. And also I have put the loading for the AC for the inverter on this table. And we have the VCU we use for the test, and the gear panel and the brake pedal and accelerator. We also have a DC power button. The DC power for this system is 12 volt. Okay, thank you. We will soon come to the next part.